Hello students, today we are going to learn subject maths and maths first lesson is geometrical figure. Okay, so we are going to learn today geometrical figures and the first topic is angles. Now you have given some pictures. There are 4 pictures. The first picture is you have been seen it in a garden. Okay, so if you observe it properly, you can see angles between ground and the slide. Angles between ground and slide. Here is one and here is one. 2 angles are showing here. And in second picture, the ladder makes an angle with the ground. The ladder makes an angle with the ground. Ground and the ladder makes the one angle. Okay. In third picture, we see angles between the tree trunk. This is the tree trunk and its branches. We can see angles between tree trunk and the branches and between the branches. You can see. Okay, and in last picture there is a picture of electric pole and angles forms in between the electric pole and the ground. This is the ground and this is the pole. The angle is formed here. Okay, so what is the angle means? Angles means whenever 2 lines meeting, the angle is formed. This is an angle. This is also 2 lines, na? Then angle is formed. This is an angle. Okay, can you tell me other some examples where you can see angles? Okay, one example I can tell you. This is the book. Okay, in this book there is one edge and other edge. Here is one angle is formed. Here is one angle is formed. Here one angle is formed and here one angle is formed. Then in book 2 angle between form in 2 edges of book. Same in scale also. Here and here. Here and here. Here and here. Okay. Angle have 2 arms. These 2 lines are called arms of the angle. Here are 3 types of angles. So first we can see right angle. Okay. In right angle, upper arm is always straight. Upper arm is always straight like this. And the angle which have upper arms is always straight is called right angle. Okay. Next is acute angle. Acute angles means an angle which is smaller than right angle. Look, it is smaller than right angle. Right angle arms is this position, and acute angle arm is an acute angle showing her arm lesser than right angle. Means acute angle is smaller than right angle. And third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle which is bigger than right angle. Look, this is the right angle position and here is the obtuse angle is expand. And it is bigger than right angle. And this is the 3 types of angles: right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. Right angle is upper hand is always straight. Acute angle means acute angle is smaller than right angle, and obtuse angle means bigger than right angle. Now I am going to show you some examples of angles by one object, and you have to identify it. So it is the scissor. We can show angles with these scissors. Okay, this is the two arms of angles. Okay, now I am keep this position. Now tell me the angles between the two blades of the scissors. Right, it is the right angle. Correct. Now next one is, now tell me which angle is made. Yeah, this is the acute angle. Acute angle is smaller than right angle, right? And now third one is, which angle it is? Yeah, third one is obtuse angle. It is the bigger than right angle. If we increase the distance between the blades, the angle is formed obtuse angle. The angle is formed obtuse angle. If we decrease the area between the blades, the angle is formed acute angle. Or if we keep this straight, the angle is formed right angle. Okay. Our book, three angles are shown in clock. First is right angle because her upper arm is straight, and an acute angle because it is the smaller than the right angle, and an obtuse angle because it is bigger than the because it is the bigger than the right angle. Okay, these are the. Now in your homework you have to solve this. Observe this question, this and this. Observe the figure below and write right angle, acute angle or obtuse angle in the box below each figure. You have to observe these angles and write which are these angles. Okay. Second one is make right angles by joining the dots in the box below. You have to join any three dots, and in first box you have to make right angle, in second box you have to make acute angle, and in third box you should make obtuse angle. Okay. 1, 2. So this is your homework.